This is the hanger for drying the clothes. It has 4 hangers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the wire. It is very strengthy one. See, it is such a strong one. It will take lot of load. It won't break off easily. See, you have to cut this with cutting plier, such a strong one. Inside there is another conductor. This is the wire. This wire is, you can use it for different purposes. I already fitted this one and I am going to fit this side. I already made the markings. Make all 3 holes, 1, 2 and 3. Take the wire and place it and pull it and turn it and lock it and cut the extra wire and bend it. It's over. One line is over. Now it's over. You can start drying the clothes. Now you can have a look. You can dry the clothes. In rainy season it will be very nice. Why? Because it is inside the balcony. It's somewhat good. See, there are 4 layers. You can use all 4.